guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can complete chapter 3 of the Winter Quest in Dressroom Press. First, you will need to open the sealed door. Basically just need to put the line where the green bar is. It's pretty simple, easy if you've played Cooking Mama, something similar like that. You understand how to do this. Once the door has opened, you just need to fight the boss. You'll need to fight him 2 times. The first one is a little bit easier, so he'll basically throw presents on the floor and you'll need to grab it, and it's going to lower his health essentially, and you'll need to just get away from all the traps, and you need to just jump and just walk around because he'll like give you a lot of like obstacles, I guess. And the second one is essentially the same. It's similar to it, so you just need to kind of get away from, like, as you can see here, there's like this black abyss. You need to stay away from things that will get to you, and you'll need to just get the presents in time to defeat Santa. You have 6 lives essentially. I know there's like 3 hearts, but like 1 hit will I say a lot will like remove half the heart. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you're done, you'll get a set. I think I've already gotten it last year. This is just me doing it again, so hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!